those people who hate my guts, but is sitting in a quiet place listening to my show.
I'm not gay no more. I am delivered. I don't like men no more. I said I like women.
Nigga, janitors make good money, bro. If you working for if you a janitor and you working for the right company, you seeing fucking man, you seeing more of that nigga Call Outs TV. Call Outs work for Amazon, y'all. Yeah. Call Outs work for Amazon. Now, anybody know Amazon? If you driving a fucking van, you're not really seeing no real money. You're seeing like $17 or fucking $19 an hour if you driving a van. Amazon at 37 years old, $19 to $17 is not a lot. $17 to $19 an hour is not a lot for a 37-year-old.
Nigga, win.
It's not a lot for me. Shit. That's why I work the job that I work. I had a new baby. I got a daughter, and I got a fucking son down south that's 14 years old.
What? What'd he say? He's just angry.
He gonna go to job corps soon. Well, he actually 15, by the way. My fault, he's 15. So I need more than that. I need more than $17 and $19 an hour. That's all cap, nigga. I'm around my employees.
He needs some milk.
I don't be talking mad tough. I know how to conduct myself as a person. You understand? I know how to conduct myself as a person when I'm around.
With a name named Mike the Trans Am.
So between TV, thank y'all for watching.
Man, listen, I really appreciate y'all, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Tell a friend. Get your boy to 10K. Live's coming soon, 2023. Let's go.